It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to place your order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Harley Pay account, or you want me to teach you on how you can be a procurement agent or how you can start a importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's find out. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to place your order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. So let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Pinduoduo shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Pinduoduo shopping app. Having opened up your Pinduoduo shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for the product that you want to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. One of the easiest way to search for product is to come to the top right here, type the name of the product you are looking for. Let's say, for instance, I'm looking for shoes or bags. So we can simply type in shoes right here and hit on search. In a few seconds, you are going to see a similar result right here. You can scroll down here and choose any supplier right here. So alternatively, you can simply come to the top right here, click on this camera icon. What you do in this particular section here, when you click on the camera icon, it's open up like so. Then what you need to do is to simply look for the product picture. So I'm going to use this particular product picture right here. Allow it to scan the product picture and you are going to see a similar result of that particular product. Different supplier is going to be bring out just like what you see right here. Now, next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down, continue to scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more you see different supplier of this particular product right here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to simply go ahead and click on a particular store. And I'm going to simply click on this one right here to open up the store link. So having opened up the store link, it's going to open up like this. So we can simply scroll down right here and check on the product graphics. So the more you scroll down, the more you see different product graphics, just like what you see right here. Just like so. Scroll down and check on more detail. So once you are satisfied with the product picture and the product detail right here, next thing you need to do is to add the product to cart. And for you to add the product to cart, simply click on here. So having added the product to cart, next thing you need to do is to go back to your profile. So I'm going to simply click on here. Then for me to visit my profile, I need to simply click on here. It's going to take me right here. Next thing I want to do is to click on here to fill my cart. Then we have the product right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to select the product. And I'm going to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. Then from the checkout right here, if you have not had your shipping address right here, you'll be asked to add your delivery address. Once you add your delivery address, then from different payment options right here, you can choose your means of payment. In this tutorial, I'm going to pay with my Alipay, which is already be checked in default right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. So I'm going to click on it right now. Next thing you need to do is to enter your payment password. Then payment done, successful. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on here to go back. Then go back to your profile. Go back to your profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So it's as simple as that. You can see the product right here, successfully purchased. So basically, this is how to place your order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, a step-by-step guide tutorial. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about China importation business with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688,
Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.